What's up, YouTube? Today I'm doing a video on the HP Officejet 3830, how to replace the ink. Now, you have this little door. It goes down. As you can see, it says what kind of ink you need. So now, you open this one. It has a little groove right there. So you grab it, you pull it down. It will automatic slide over. As you see, it will say it here. Okay. Now, when replacing, make sure your ink cartridge is lined up to this slot. Not like this, not like that, not like that. Make sure it's perfectly lined up. Now, you grab it, and as you can see, it will slide through that groove. And you got the next one. There you go. So as you can see, that is your ink. Now, colors on this side, black on this side. You grab it, make sure it's lined up. Make sure you hear it click. Hear it click. It's all lined up. So now you close this one, and as you can see, it is checking cartridge. Now it's all set. You close it, and that's all set. Well, YouTube, hopefully that helped out. Thanks, like and subscribe.